wondered how to make the perfect homemade hamburgers? It's not as daunting as it may seem. Welcome to the ultimate cooking tutorial, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey to craft the most succulent, flavorful burgers right from the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, preferably an 80-20 blend for that perfect balance of lean meat and fat. Salt and pepper to taste, 4 hamburger buns, and any toppings your heart desires. First things first, crank that grill or skillet up to a medium-high heat. Then take your ground beef and divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a patty about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. Remember to make a slight indentation in the center with your thumb. This little trick prevents your patties from puffing up while cooking. Now, it's time to season. Sprinkle both sides of your patties generously with salt and pepper. If you're using a grill, give those grates a light oiling to prevent any sticking. If it's a skillet you're working with, add a small amount of oil to the pan. Place your patties on the grill or skillet and let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You can adjust the cooking time depending on how you prefer your burgers. While those patties are sizzling away, take your hamburger buns and toast them until they're lightly golden brown. This extra step adds a delightful crunch and flavor to your burger. Once your patties have reached your desired level of doneness, remove them from the heat and give them a few moments to rest. Now comes the fun part, assembling your burger. Place your cooked patty on a toasted bun, then go wild with your toppings. Lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, the sky is the limit. Serve your hamburgers immediately and get ready to enjoy a restaurant-quality burger in the comfort of your own home. So there you have it, the secret to crafting the perfect homemade hamburgers. Remember to choose quality ground beef, season generously, and don't shy away from toasting those buns. You're now fully equipped to take on your kitchen and whip up a batch of mouthwatering burgers. Remember, cooking is an art, and every artist needs their canvas. So why not make your next masterpiece a homemade hamburger? Happy cooking!